Hey, this is Big Fred TN. I have put the spacers on the floorboard so they're out 3/4 of an inch, and this is the +3 brake lever. So if I get the original brake lever, let me find it, and kind of put it in the same position, that's about where it goes. So you can see the difference in the height, or that's the ball. So you can see the big difference. It extends the pedal out 3 inches. So that's plenty of room for my foot to get on here. I wear a size 14 shoe. So now I have plenty of room on the floorboard, not cramped up, and put my foot on the brake. That's easy, much easier. That was an easy install. Now I'm gonna bring my highway pegs down some, because that was the other problem I was having. It was so close to the other one that it was interfering with it. So now eventually I'll bring this highway pegs down to a more manageable level, because I have it up because it was in the way. So now I'll bring it back down to the bottom to kind of match that. So since I have so much room on the pedal, so my foot won't get caught in between the brake and the highway peg. Hey, this is a Big Fred TN signing off, getting ready to put the extended shift lever on from Softbrake, and I will be doing the other side of the floorboard. Same process. Remove 2 bolts from the floor pan bracket, slide it off, slide the adapters on, Loctite it, and you're finished.